I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making a fresh iCloud backup now, because factory reset will erase the device but you intend to keep data. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud Backup. Tap Backup now and watch progress. Make sure you can receive the two-factor authentication code on another device or phone number, because activation will require it. Once the backup finishes, plug in the charger and connect to stable Wi-Fi. Then proceed to Settings General to start the reset sequence. Now you perform the reset properly, so your data is preserved in iCloud and restored after. Verify the backup timestamp in iCloud Backup again. Once confirmed, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Erase all content and settings. When prompted, enter your passcode and Apple ID password to turn off activation lock. Do not sign out of iCloud beforehand unless you intend to remove the account. Instead, ensure messages and photos were synced, so they will repopulate after setup. After the reset, on the setup screen choose Restore from iCloud Backup and sign in with the same Apple ID. The Restore pulls contacts, photos, messages, and settings back. Make sure the iPhone stays on Wi-Fi and charging. Large media may continue downloading in the background after first use. If you hit an error, check that you use the correct Apple ID and 2FA device. If Restore repeatedly fails, connect to a Mac or PC and restore from a recent Finder or iTunes local backup, or try recovery mode as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.